Good morning, guys. Oh, actually, good afternoon. Happy Saturday. Welcome to another video. Today we are going to, or I am going to explore Makua Beach, and I wanted to take you guys along and show you what it looks like. It's going to be my first time going to this beach. It's on the far west side of the island, almost to the end of the road. I know this beach is known for being very picturesque, and there's a possibility to swim with dolphins, depending on time of year. So let's go check it out. All right, so if you go on the GPS, there's you can just type in Makua Beach parking. You can park over there and then just walk through the gates down this way, and it should eventually lead to the beach. I don't know. This is my first time here, so we're gonna be exploring together. All right, and then towards the left looks like there's this path, so I'm just gonna go down here and see where this goes. I know the water is that way, so yay. Okay, that was a very short walk, shorter than I thought. Okay, we made it. It's so pretty here. Got the mountains. Best part is the water looks super calm today. All right, I got my mat down. I'm about to go eat some lunch. I got some limu poke, ahi limu poke, and also furikake, and also some coconut water. So I'm gonna go eat first before I get in the water. I'm gonna wear this big old hat because I didn't get to put sunblock on yet, but I will. But let me just show you how good this poke is. I got it from Aloha Poke over near Waianae. So I'm gonna show you guys what the limu looks like with just that one. I hope it's not blurry on the camera. And then this is the furikake one. So let's try this out. Now it's really good, actually. They make it fresh right in front of you. So I'll put the link in the description below if you're interested in checking it out. If you want some fresh poke when you come visit the west side of Oahu. Oh, and I also should mention this poke bowl only costs like $9, 9 something including tax, so pretty good deal actually.
Just for 2 nights, I want to believe. So keep on coming closer, keep me hanging on. Let me feel your body.
Okay guys, I just got back from a snorkel. Not really much coral, but it was nice to swim. It was a good workout, so yeah, as you can see from the footage, super sandy bottom. So yeah, beautiful place, highly recommend guys.
Heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. Hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're.